Did you know that only 1% of cars today can reliably hit 200,000 miles? Ever wondered why some cars can last over 500,000 miles? In this video, we'll show you what makes these cars so strong. You'll also find out which brands and models are built to last. Stay tuned. You might just find your next car on this list. Let's start with our first car, a real legend when it comes to lasting a long time. If you want a car that can reach 500,000 miles, this is one you need to know about. The Toyota Land Cruiser is famous for its durability, and for good reason. Its powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine is built with a tough cast iron block, ensuring it can handle years of driving without breaking down. The strong 6-speed automatic transmission means it performs reliably, whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. Add to that a high-strength steel frame and advanced suspension system, and you've got a vehicle that's designed to take on tough conditions without wearing out. It might not have the best fuel efficiency, but with its ability to easily surpass 500,000 miles, the Land Cruiser is a solid investment for those who want a car that's built to last a lifetime. Next up is a car that's reliable and fuel efficient. If you want a sedan that lasts a long time without costing too much, this one's a great choice. The Honda Accord, a car that has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable and long-lasting sedans on the market. The Accord's 2.4-liter inline-4 engine is a masterpiece of Honda engineering, designed with high-quality materials like an aluminum block and head. This lightweight yet durable design helps the engine maintain consistent performance over the years, ensuring it can easily reach the 500,000-mile mark with proper care. The Accord's continuously variable transmission, CVT, is another key factor in its longevity. Honda has fine-tuned this transmission to deliver smooth, efficient power while reducing wear and tear on the engine, which is crucial for long-term reliability. Built on a high-strength steel unibody frame, the Accord provides a sturdy foundation that enhances both safety and durability. The suspension system, featuring McPherson struts in the front and a multi-link rear, ensures a comfortable ride while maintaining the car's structural integrity over thousands of miles. With its strong build quality and proven reliability, the Honda Accord is a top pick for anyone looking for a vehicle that will go the distance and potentially reach the 500,000-mile mark. Now let's talk about a car that's not just reliable, it's a benchmark for luxury and longevity. If you want a vehicle that's built to last even longer than the others we've mentioned, with the added comfort of a premium driving experience. Coming in third is the Lexus LS 400, a luxury sedan known for its incredible build quality and reliability. At the heart of this vehicle is the 4.0-liter V8 engine, 1UZFE, a true masterpiece of engineering. This engine, crafted with all aluminum construction, is celebrated for its smooth operation and low wear, allowing it to effortlessly rack up hundreds of thousands of miles. It's one of the main reasons the LS 400 can easily surpass the 500,000-mile mark. The LS 400's 4-speed automatic transmission is another key component of its long-lasting performance. This transmission is built to handle the power of the V8 engine while delivering seamless shifts and reducing wear over time, making it an ideal match for those seeking long-term reliability. What truly sets the LS 400 apart is its strong chassis and advanced suspension system. Built on a rigid, well-crafted frame with independent double wishbone suspension, both front and rear, the LS 400 is designed to minimize stress on its components. This setup not only ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, but also contributes to the car's exceptional longevity, helping it maintain its solid feel even after years of use. The combination of a durable engine, reliable transmission, and precision engineering throughout makes the Lexus LS 400 a luxury sedan that's truly built to last, making it a top pick for anyone looking to drive well past the 500,000-mile milestone. Next up is a car that might be the toughest and most versatile on this list. If you want a car that lasts the longest and can go where others can't. Fourth on our list is the Subaru Outback, a car known for going anywhere and doing anything. It's powered by Subaru's famous 2.5-liter 4-cylinder boxer engine, which is designed to last a long time. The engine's special layout lowers the car's center of gravity, making it more stable and easier to handle, while also reducing wear and tear on the engine parts. This smart design, along with Subaru's top-notch engineering, helps the Outback reach well over 500,000 miles. The Outback also has a strong continuously variable transmission, CVT, that provides smooth power whether you're driving in the city or on rough trails. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which is standard on the Outback, is another key to its long life. This system gives the car great traction in all kinds of weather and road conditions, reducing stress on the car's parts and helping it last longer. Built with a high-strength steel frame, the Outback is as tough as it gets. Its suspension system is designed to handle bumpy roads and rough terrain while still giving you a smooth ride. This makes the Outback a perfect choice for both daily driving and adventurous trips, allowing it to keep going mile after mile, long after other cars have given up. Now, for the best of the best. This one is a true legend, made to last and handle anything. If you want a truck that's the toughest and most reliable, this is the one that leads the way. Rounding out our list is the Ford F-150, a true American icon, known for being tough and dependable. This truck has been the best-selling in the US for years, and it's easy to see why. Its 5.0-liter V8 engine is a real workhorse, designed to handle both everyday driving and heavy-duty tasks. With a strong cast-iron block and aluminum heads, this engine is built to last, delivering reliable power even as the miles add up. Many F-150 owners report their trucks easily reaching over 500,000 miles with proper care. The F-150's 10-speed automatic transmission is another reason this truck lasts so long. It's made to work smoothly in all kinds of driving conditions, whether you're towing heavy loads or just cruising down the highway. This transmission is built to take on the stress of hauling, making it perfect for those who need a truck that can go the distance. The F-150's body is made from high-strength military-grade aluminum alloy, and it's supported by a fully boxed steel frame. This tough construction means the truck can handle the hardest jobs while still staying strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. It's this combination of a durable engine, reliable transmission, and rugged body that makes the Ford F-150 the top choice for anyone who needs a vehicle that will keep going, no matter what. Which car do you think deserves the top spot? Have you owned any of these mileage champs? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.